Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck, a bold blend of pickup toughness and camper comfort designed for people who want the road, the wild, and home all in one vehicle. Built for adventure. The 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck is engineered to go far beyond paved roads. Its reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension, and off-road-ready tires allow it to handle rough terrain while staying stable and confident. Whether climbing mountain trails or crossing desert highways, this truck is built to keep moving. Power and performance. Under the hood, Chevrolet delivers strong and reliable performance with modern engine options focused on torque and efficiency. Smooth power delivery makes towing and hauling effortless, while advanced drivetrain technology ensures control in challenging conditions. Smart camper design. The integrated camper transforms the truck into a compact living space. Inside, the layout focuses on practicality, offering sleeping space, storage, and basic cooking features without feeling cramped. Smart insulation and climate control make it usable in both hot and cold environments. Technology and safety. Modern driver assist systems enhance safety on long journeys. Large digital displays, navigation support, and connectivity features keep everything within reach. The camper systems are also digitally monitored, allowing better control over power, water, and interior comfort. Everyday usability. Despite its adventure focus, the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck remains practical for daily use. It balances work, travel, and leisure, making it suitable for both weekday driving and weekend escapes. Final thoughts. The 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck redefines freedom on wheels. It's a powerful, comfortable, and intelligent solution for travelers who want to explore without limits, proving that adventure doesn't have to sacrifice convenience.